Welcome to Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the civil engineer, site engineer, and the construction engineers who are working in the construction projects. In this channel, we are discussing about the construction techniques, construction informations, quality control procedures, and the method what is required to get success in the construction industry. So, if you are related to the construction industry, this channel is for you. Today, we'll discuss a very interesting topics for the construction or the quality control engineers who are dreaming to become a quality control manager, because every construction engineer or the quality control engineer, they are think they will become quality control manager, but how they will get that one? To do that, first things they need to know what is the roles and responsibility of the quality control manager and what quality they need to develop to become a quality control manager. So stay tuned until the end. I will decode each and everything about the quality control manager so that you can get benefited from this. Hi, I'm Kamal Banerjee, a civil engineer and the project management professionals in construction projects, and I have more than 20 years of experience in India and the international level as a construction manager or the project management professional and the quality control professional. So let's jump into the subjects. Let me open my mind map. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you will get the immediate notifications. So let's jump into the subject, quality control manager responsibilities, that what a quality control manager will do at the construction projects. So you need to know what is their roles and responsibilities. The first things, quality planning. So how the quality will be delivered or how the product will be delivered as per the client or the construction or the client or the consultant requirement, so that customer satisfaction will be there. So that quality planning need to be delivered. So this planning is the first things that a quality control manager will do, how to deliver the project or how to inspect the product to deliver as per the requirement. So okay, developed and implement quality management plan. So every site or every construction project has different, so in unique. So first things a quality manager will do, so they will develop and implement a quality management plan to ensuring the product will be delivered as per the client or the consultant requirement and ensure alignment with project goals, specification, and industry standard. Three things we need to know: what is our project goals, or what is the end product, and to meet that end product, what specification, what industry standard, and what specific codes we need to follow, that we need to understand. A quality manager has to understand, and these three things in align with quality manager should do a quality planning, ensuring that these quality planning, if we follow at the project side, then if the product will be delivered as per the customer requirement. So first things, a quality manager should do the quality planning of the construction or quality planning for the product development. The next things is compliance with codes and standards. Yes, every project has the specification, industry standard, and codes. So quality manager should know well about the codes and standard or the specification, what is the required at the projects. After getting all the information, the quality manager should do first plan, that is quality management plan. They should have to development, but how they will development, they need to comply with the codes and standard, that ensuring that all construction activities meet relevant codes and standard. If the product is not delivered as per the relevant codes and standard, that means the quality is not achieving. And then oversees inspection, testings, and confirmed compliance. So whatever we plan, that we need to check and inspect as per the standard. So first things, quality planning customer need to do by the quality manager. The next is compliance with the codes and standard, but that means the quality manager should to ensure that this product meets the codes and the standard relevant standard requirement. So these things. Then the third point is document control. Yes, every project you need to do the document control, and the document control department is separate, but it should be overlooked and it should be controlled by the quality manager, because if the project is not documented, the quality cannot be achieved. So what you need to do to develop the quality document controlling, establish a management, a robust document control system. How the whenever a document is coming, how it will go up to that bottom, from top to bottom, and how it will be recorded, how it will be kept, that this document control system to be there, and ensuring accurate and up-to-date records of project documents. Why? Because every project documents can be changed, like GFC drawing, the revision 1, revision 2 can be get by the consultant. So whenever we are getting any new revision, that should be circulate to the concerned team, so that the project meets the as per the requirement, and whatever the superseded drawing, that have to taken back. Otherwise there will be a mismatch, and there will be possibilities that the product has delivered with the superseded drawings. That means quality is not achieved. So the document control system to be in place, so that it should be ensured the proper flow of documentation and the relevant documents and the accurate documents to be followed at the project site or the concerned parties. So these things has to be ensured by the quality control manager. So first thing, quality planning, then compliance with the codes and standard, then the document controlling. The fourth point that a quality control manager should do, that is quality assurance procedure. How? The quality assurance is the set of activities to ensuring that the product will be delivered as per the requirement. So the quality control, quality assurance procedure to be developed by the quality control manager. I am giving an example. The method statement is a quality assurance procedure. Every activity has the method statement. If the method statement means if we follow this method at the site, then this product will be delivered as per the requirement or as per the standard or the codes. So quality assurance procedure to be implemented at the site, and the quality assurance procedure to be developed by the quality control manager. So what is this? Implement quality assurance procedure across all project phase, not only the beginning or not only the end. So from inception to completion, everything to be in procedure, that every steps to be developed and every step to be procedure, that we need to follow these steps. Whatever the method statement, whatever the inspection test plan, what will be the checklist, what will be the material checklist, what will be the supplier checklist, that everything to be in place to ensuring that the quality assurance procedure is in place. And if we follow this quality assurance procedure, that the product will be delivered as per the requirement. And then monitor process to prevent defects and ensuring consistent quality. This is another point, because whenever we make the procedure and procedure is placed, now the people are working, and quality manager has the quality inspector. So quality manager needs to get the feedback from the quality inspector that this, whatever the set of activities we planned or we prepared, whatever that is followed or not. So regular inspection is required to prevent defects and ensuring consistency of quality. So this thing, a quality control manager should look after that quality assurance procedure is in place and it is followed at the size. Next is inspection and auditing. Now, as a quality control manager, we place a quality assurance procedure at the site. So we are saying that if the quality control procedure is followed at the site, then it will be delivered the product as per the requirement. Now, how to ensure that this process is followed or not? Let's give me an example. Suppose in a football match, the coach or the manager has decided that people, the team will play in 4-4-2 or 4-4-3 formation in combination. Now, whatever it is followed or not at the pitch, who will check? The manager will check. Who is in the duck side? He is looking after all the plays, and he will check whether this 4-4-2 or the 4-4-3 is followed or not. Suppose the 4-4-2 is not following, or the opponent, they are playing some extra game, so they need to from 4-4-2 maybe 2-5-3 or the formation to be changed. That should be checked. So quality control manager also, whenever they have make the procedure, now you need to check as a manager of the football coach, so whether the procedure is followed or not. How? That inspection and auditing. Conduct regular site inspection and audit to identify deviations. Same as the football manager, he is in regular checking, and whenever the playing is there, he is continuously checking whether their player is following at the site or not, as the formation they have developed. The same way, the regular site inspection by the site inspection team to identify deviation and the defects, and verify the effectiveness of corrective and preventive action. So in the football match, as I giving the example, suppose that one player is not performing along with the 4-4-2 formation or the 4-3-3 formation. Now, what coach can do? They can change the player, or they can change the systems to refine the process to deliver the goal. The same way, if there is a procedure, that whatever the procedure implemented or the procedure placed in this project, it is not following, so redefine or refine of the process is required. Who will do that one? The quality control manager has to do that. He has to check each and everything with the collaboration with the site inspection team or the third party or the stakeholders of the projects. So everything will be collected, data will be collected, and then according to analysis of the data, the redefine or refine the process will be there, so that the effectiveness is follow and the product can be delivered at the requirement of the project. So inspection and the auditing also another part for the quality control manager. The next thing is material management. See, what is required of the project? Material, manpower, machineries, and money. These 4M is required. So material management is also required. So who will do the material management? Quality of the material, of course. Quality manager has to ensure the material whatever used in the site, that is as per the requirement. That means whatever we propose, that should be come at the site and it will be used in the site, so that the material can be delivered or the product can be delivered as per the requirement. So material management is also another part of the quality control manager responsibilities. So evaluate suppliers and materials for quality and suitability. Now here is the very effective or good things, or that you need to evaluate suppliers quality or the subcontractors quality, who is supplying the material. If they are not in line with our project specification or in line with the codes and standard, if we take that material, 100% the product will not be delivered as per the requirement. So before selection of the material, we need to check each and every point that should be in compliance with our project requirement or the codes or the industry requirement. If this is in place or this is in align with our requirement, then the material can be selected. So this selection procedure of the material, that should be a responsibility of a quality control manager, because it is the major and vital part for the construction. If material is not proper, the product cannot be delivered. Then maintain a list of approved suppliers and ensure proper material testing. So approved vendor list is there by the client or the consultant. So you need to call them at side and let them understand what is your quality plan or what is the quality assurance plan. If they are aligned with this, okay, we can select them. If they are not aligned, we will not select them. And material testing, it can be testing at their material yard or the third party or whenever at the site receive at the site. So three things has to check, and three things also will be procedure, how the material will be tested, what will the test is required, what is the frequency of state, what is the acceptance criteria of the material. That all will come in under the material management, and the how we material manage, that is the responsibility of a quality control manager. So he need to plan the quality material management plan, and how to ensure that the material is coming at the site as per the requirement of the project or the industry standard or the codes. So the material management is a very vital part, and that should be responsibility of a quality control manager. The next part is non-conformance management. Suppose the non-conformance can happen, whether we are placed 100% the quality assurance plan, inspection, auditing, material management, everything, there may be chances that the non-conformance happen, because ultimately the people are working and the maybe the material is not good, if the workmanship is not good, or the sequence of work is not followed. These three things can happen at the site at any moment by the people who are working at the site, because they are human beings. Their tendency to become erroneous work. So this non-conformance can happen, and whenever this non-conformances happen, how to manage that non-conformance, that is also a responsibility of quality control manager. What is this? Identify non-conformance and initiate corrective actions. So whenever any non-conformance is happening, first things we need to check why this non-conformance happened, and according to the non-conformance happened, so what is the reason, that the root cause analysis we have done, and according to the root cause analysis, the corrective action has to be taken place. So who will do that corrective action? That quality control manager has to be prepare the corrective action plan. That this is non-conformance, this is my root cause, and that's why we are taking this action. Suppose I'm giving an example. Suppose we are doing the plaster, and now the plaster is cracked. So whenever this non-conformance happens, this plaster is a crack. So the consultant issues a non-conformance. Now, we have to do the root cause analysis. Suppose we are finding that the material is not good or the curing is not happened during the process. So these two things we need to check care. We need to take the corrective action, that the material should be changed and curing should be in place. So these are the corrective action, and then how to repair the crack, this corrective action to be in place. Then identify non-conformance and initiate preventive action. As I give you an example, maybe the material has to change or the curing procedure has to enhance, so that the next activities or the next places wherever you are doing the plaster work, this plaster crack should not be happen. And then track and document the resolution of process. So we have to do the document, so every non-conformance, so that whenever a non-conformance happens, it should be closed and signed by the client or the consultant, and that document should be in the proper place. So these things, the non-conformance management, this identify non-conformance and initiate corrective action, identify non-conformance and initiate the preventive actions, and track and document the resolution process. These three things also under non-conformance management is coming, and that should be the responsibility of a quality control manager and the project side. The next is training and development. So as I told you, the training and development is very much essential, because in the project there are a lot of people are working. The construction own people, the subcontractor, supplier, third party. So there are various people, and they are coming from various backgrounds. So we need to prepare a training and development plan, that means that everyone should working towards a common goal, so that the product conformity can be happen. How it can be happen? So you need to do the training and development for the each and every people, so that they will well aware about the end product or about the procedure or about the testing or the inspection of the project, so that they can also align with the project, and they also can redefine their process, so that the product requirement criteria can be satisfied. So training and development is very much essential. And how it can be implement? Provide training to the project personnel on quality procedure. Now, how it can be? So whenever a new employee or the new worker is coming at the site, they need to give a quality inductions. That means we need to set an criteria or set a standard, that our project has that standard, and you need to follow this step to meet that standard. So they will well aware that whenever they are working in this project, they need to follow these steps. Then next, foster a culture of quality conciseness among the team. So when in between activity or bi-weekly or monthly, we need to do a quality culture of maybe quality site work, maybe quality training, quality development. That means everybody should know well aware, and the awareness can be grow inside all the people who are involving in the process, that we need to deliver the project like this. So this thing quality control manager has to develop it, and he has to plan the training and development in well advance, so that it will be placed. So whether a new employee or new activity or in regular interval, the training and development will be done, so that everybody can work in a common goal with a proper knowledge and the quality consciousness to deliver the project as per the requirement. So this thing a quality control manager has to ensure. The next thing is continuous improvement. So when as I told you, that no project is 100% or no process is 100% perfect. As I give you an example of the football match, that the coach or the manager in the sideline, he is watching each and every movement of their player, and according to them, they will refine the process, and this is called the continuous improvement. So how we can do the continuous improvement in our quality control project? That need to be done by the quality control manager. He need to always check the procedure, and if there is any lesson learned or if there is any difficulties, it has to redefine, so that the defect can be minimized and it can be eliminated in the process. Then how? Initiate process improvement based on lesson learned. That means whatever we have done, we check as per the audit or as per the inspection that we can get the information or the data that we are lagging in these places, so that we need to refine these places. Suppose quality induction is not there for the people who are working at the site, so they are not well aware about the quality control procedure. So we need to do the quality induction, or the material what is coming at the site that is not matching at the criteria. So we need to redefine, or we need to change the material so that it can be done as per the, or that maybe curing time to be more, or the work sequence to be followed. So these are the simple steps that need to adjust in the process to get the product as per the requirement. So who will lead this one? The quality control manager in consultant with the, along with the project development project manager or the project director, that we need to redefine or refine this process or fine tune the process so that the product can be delivered with the minimum defects or as per the customer requirement. So continuous improvement also to be done by the quality control manager. And last but not the least, that is communication and reporting. Why communication is more important? Because if the communication is not proper, then everybody will work as per their own, and there will be not a common goal. So if everybody is working as per their own, then what will happen? The goal will not achieve. Same as the football match. If the 11 player are working as the individual, then what will happen? Individual will not win the match. The opponent will win the match, and they cannot score the goal, but they will conceive the goal. The same way, if the full project team is not in align with the project requirement, then it will happen, the project quality cannot be achieved. So the communication and reporting is very much essential to do that one. Communicate quality related information to the stakeholders. That means whoever in the process involved. See, alone we cannot do the work. We need to stakeholder, we need the subcontractor, we need supplier. So these people has to do as per our project requirement. So that's why we need to communicate them what is our quality control procedure that they have to follow at the side, so that product can be made as per the requirement, and prepare reports on quality performance and areas of improvement. Same, you need to check each and everything, and if it is required anything to redefine or refine the process, then we have to implement to our the stakeholders for everyone. So these things, this communication and reporting, that is need to check by the quality control manager. So these are the main thing that our quality control manager should perform at the site to make a product as per the client or consultant requirement. To summarize, what is the responsibility? Quality planning, compliance with codes and standard, document control, quality assurance procedure, inspection and auditing, material management, non-conformance management, training and development, continuous improvement, and communication and reporting. So these are the things a quality control manager should know, and quality control manager should follow at the site to get the product done. So these are all. I hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you will get the immediate notifications. And after watching this video, please provide your valuable feedback so that I also can know that whatever your feelings after doing that, or how you get the influence or get the information, so that you also get advanced in the project. Write down in your comment sections, and whatever if you need anything new about the quality control procedure or the construction procedure, please let me know so that I will come with the more content like this. Thank you very much watching, and once again, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever a new video will upload, you will get the immediate notification. Thank you very much.